This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cocktail glasses, specifically these Lowball cocktail glasses. We have a 6-ounce round medium rocks glass. It's 2¼ inches in diameter and 4 inches in height. And you can see it has this lovely, sleek feel with that nice extra thick base that's going to give it some great stability. We also have these 6-ounce round medium Scotch glasses. They're 2½ inches in diameter, 3 inches in height, so they're a little bit shorter, a little more squat, and you can see they have this nice rounded feel that gets slightly wider at the bottom. They have a nice, really great feel in the hand as well. These sophisticated glasses are made from recyclable soda lime, and they're perfect for serving up Manhattans, Old Fashions, whiskey, bourbon, or just Scotch on the rocks. They are made of a heavy-duty glass and are perfect for medium-sized pours of various spirits. They're great for the refined service of different liquors and spirits at bars, restaurants, during happy hour, at catered events, weddings, or just at home for serving up stylish cocktails to your friends and family.